Am I sensing some nerves? A little camera shy? Let's do a little warm-up so we're feeling revved up and comfortable for your wedding day. Yeah? All right, let's try it. Let's do a little warm-up. Up on our feet. All right, Charlie, move a little closer to your bride-to-be. There we go. What's your favorite thing about Emma?
She's beautiful, funny.
This is very serious.
And she has the best laugh.
Okay, good. Emma.
I love that he's caring, understanding, and open-minded.
That's good. Okay, so hold on to those thoughts. Don't forget to smile. Okay. Just smile naturally. Yeah, Charlie, just a completely natural smile. Just like how you would smile in life. Remember, you know each other really well.
Emma and Charlie.
What the fuck was that?
Just some drama.
We found love that we're gonna have forever. Okay, I think that we'll get there on the day.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.